As the Hoyle platform has evolved from a digital whiteboard that was primarily used on large interactive screens as well as interactive walls to a much more versatile online collaboration platform that can be used for project management in various stages, we have, of course, seen a shift in usage patterns as well as in the kind of functionality that is available. And we wanted to make sure that our UI elements stay up to the task. And with this release, we are introducing a new context menu that will introduce a more familiar layout that is easier to learn and also has less submenus for quicker access. So if we take a quick look at the previous context menus, we had basically a split design. We had this style bar on top that opened up with various submenus. And then we had this central menu, which came from this initial pen-centric kind of UI that opened up in different directions, which had the most common features. And as the feature set grew, we even introduced sub-menus for some of those icons here as well, like, for example, the layering, which made it really hard for people that were not familiar with the platform to find those features easily. So what we have, what we're introducing now is a single menu bar that is sitting on top. So that leaves the entire selection here available for moving the element around. So no more accidentally opening the central menu if you would want to move the element around. And then we have our style options here in the middle. We have an element-specific menu here on the left. So those that menu includes elements that are just specific to that content type. So for example, for a note, you can send it to Agility, send it to Jira, convert to task. A Hoyle task would have different options in here. And then we have a common set sitting here to the right. So that includes your edit, your bring to font, send to back, and the copy, paste, and so on. One thing that we have also included here is now a much quicker way for notes specifically to change shape. So even if you have multiple elements, duplicate this here real quick. I can come in here and change shape on multiple of those elements at the same time. And as you are selecting multiple elements, you also see that you now have selection options available as well as your alignment options as well. So last thing that I wanted to mention is we also made the unlocking a little bit easier for people to find. So if something is locked in background, previously you needed to be either in the lasso tool or the harpoon tool to deselect. Now you can stay in your standard move tool, and if you click, you see the lock icon pop up. And as you click unlock, you're right at the position where the menu comes in, so you can make your changes quickly and then, if necessary, lock your element again. So yeah, this is the first step towards some new functionalities in the context menu as well. So we will continue to work on this, but we think this is a pretty big improvement over our current functionality, and we hope you like it as well. Thank you.